Did you know that over 65% of people worldwide live paycheck to paycheck? Imagine working every day and still struggling to make ends meet. But here's the good news. What if you could earn money even while you sleep? Today, I'll share 10 powerful passive income ideas you can start in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. And trust me, idea number 10 could completely change your financial future. Let's start with affiliate marketing. This industry is projected to hit $17 billion by 2025. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Fiverr affiliates are literally paying you just for recommending products. Think about it. You already share things you love with friends. With affiliate marketing, you just get paid for it. Next, print on demand. The global custom t-shirt market alone is worth billions. You upload a design once, and every time it sells on platforms like Printful or Redbubble, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping, no stress. Just pure creativity turned into income. Here's a big one. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. Thousands of creators are earning 6 figures with stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. The truth? Most people waste hours scrolling YouTube instead of building their own channel that could pay them every month. Blogging might sound old school, but it still works. Some bloggers make $2,000 to $20,000 per month through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. With WordPress or Medium, you don't need to be a tech expert. A single blog post can earn money for years. The e-learning industry is exploding, projected to reach over $400 billion by 2028. If you know how to cook, code, design, or even stay productive, you can package that into a course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable let you reach thousands of students worldwide while earning on autopilot. Got a phone camera? That's all you need. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay royalties every time your photos or videos get downloaded. It's simple. Upload once, earn for years. Ebooks, planners, templates, even coloring books. With Amazon KDP and Etsy, people are turning simple ideas into hundreds, sometimes thousands per month. You create it once, and platforms do the selling for you. Here's a bigger one: apps and templates. Every business needs ready-made solutions. Developers and even non-coders are selling templates that bring in $500 to $5,000 a month. And with AI tools today, it's easier than ever to launch. Most people let their money sit in savings accounts, earning almost nothing, while dividend-paying stocks deliver 2 to 5% yearly returns. Imagine getting paid every quarter just for owning part of a company. That's wealth building the smart way. And finally, AI tool monetization. The AI industry is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. From faceless content to automation services, or even reselling AI tools, this is the gold rush of our time. The question is, will you watch it happen or take advantage of it? If you rely on one paycheck, you're always one step away from financial stress. But with even one of these income streams, you move closer to financial freedom. So, which idea excites you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, because next, I'll show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing and make your first $100 online. The choice is yours. Keep scrolling, or start building your freedom